I keep trying to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI every single day. First, take a quick look at what I've created, and then I'll show you exactly how I did it.
What do you mean you don't want to continue college? Stop that MMA nonsense. Business is your future.
I don't want to be like you, Dad. I'm done.
High-level wrestling. Send him 2-3 years Dagestan and forget.
This is it, Tom. No more turning back now.
Why are you here, city boy?
To become the best. Please, train me.
You have the will to work hard?
Yes, whatever it takes.
We'll see.
Up! Come on, drive from the floor. Chest high, don't sag your back. Again, breathe. You think mountain care if you're tired? No.
Keep chest low, hips under him. Do not give space. Good. Now pressure.
Amazing, right? I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, creating high quality content with the help of AI is no longer impossible. With the right tools, you can literally create wonders. For this project, I used Nano Banana Pro and Sora 2, all inside one powerful tool that truly makes you feel like a director. And I'll walk you through my entire creation process step by step. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. Now, the tool I used to create this video is called Flova AI. I got early access to this tool and have been experimenting with it extensively, and let me tell you, it's absolutely stunning. This tool is specifically built for AI creators like you and me, and it makes the entire process incredibly smooth. Think of it as ChatGPT, but for AI videos. And yes, everything you're seeing right now has also been created using Flova AI. Now, to get started, simply click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see an interface like this. If you scroll down a little, you'll be able to explore projects created by other users. You can go through them if you want. And as you can see, they look really impressive. The best part is, when you click on any project, you can view the entire creative process from start to finish. This actually helped me a lot while creating my own video. Now, this is the prompt section where you need to write your requirements for the video. I've given it a simple plot. You really don't need to make it very detailed. Just provide the idea of your story, and it will take care of the rest. Next, if you click on the models section, you'll be able to see all the available models. As you can see, it offers different models for images, videos, background music, and even voiceovers, which is extremely useful. For the images, I went with Nano Banana Pro. For the videos, I selected Sora 2. For the background music, I chose Suno. And for the narration, I let Flova AI decide automatically. After that, just click on the Generate button. Once you do that, it gets to work immediately. It starts analyzing everything, and if it needs any additional input from you, it will ask before proceeding. As you can see here, it's asking for a few inputs from my side. You can actually avoid this step if you've already mentioned everything in your prompt. I forgot to, so I'll add them here and click send. Now, it takes all the inputs and creates the basic layout, the storyboard for the video. This process may take a few seconds, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll see that it has created the core idea of the video, including the emotional tone, duration, sound design, pacing, and more. You can review everything and make specific changes if you want. Isn't that awesome? And now it has started generating the storyboard, where it designs the main characters and creates a basic draft for all the scenes in the story. And here it is. As you can see, it has created the main character of our story, Tom. This is Tom's character as a student, and here you can see a different version of him as a fighter. Next, this is Tom's father, and after that, you can see Tom's Dagestani coach. Below that, it has also created a draft of all the scenes the video is going to have. You can go through each one, and of course, you can make changes anytime by simply giving it commands. Now, from here, you can see that it has started generating all the character images. Let's wait for them to finish generating, and here they are. As you can see, this is the student version of Tom, where he looks unhappy and clearly not in his element. Flova AI absolutely nailed it. And this is the fighter version of Tom. This one looks outstanding as well. If you compare both images, you'll notice that the face consistency is extremely good. Next, it has also generated images for Tom's father and the Dagestani coach, and they look great too. Flova AI will use these same character images across different scenes wherever they appear, which is why the character consistency stays on a whole whole different level throughout the video. Also, if you're not happy with a particular image, you can always click on the regenerate option to create a new one. You can also click on the edit prompt section where you'll be able to see the exact prompt used to generate the image. On top of that, you can even change the image model if you want. And if you're happy with a particular image or image style, you can click this option here. Flova AI will remember your choice and generate future images according to your preference, which is extremely useful. Now, once you're happy with everything, you'll see that it asks for your permission to move ahead and start creating the images for the scenes. So I'll type go ahead here, and it will start generating the images for all the scenes. And here it is. As you can see, it has created the images for the first section of our story, and they look really, really good. I'm genuinely impressed. Again, if you're not happy with any image, you can always regenerate it, or go to the edit prompt section to make changes to the prompt. You can also download the image if you want. I'm quite happy with these, so I'll ask it to create the images for the next segment. And here are the images for the next segment. These look great as well. I'll keep repeating this process until all the images are generated. You can also simply command it to generate all the images at once, but I personally like doing it segment by segment because it gives me much more control. And now, here are all the images it has generated. As you can see, all the scene images are now ready, so it's time to turn them into videos. You can also command it to generate all the videos at once, but I won't do that. I'll start by asking it to create the videos for the first segment and see how it performs. And it's done with the videos. Let's play them and see how they look. This one looks good, but it could be better. Let's check the next one. This one is fine and I can work with it.
Business is the real fight, Tom. This is a dead end.
It's your dream, Dad. Not mine.
This one, however, is not up to my expectations, so I'll probably regenerate it. And remember, guys, you don't have to stick with the first results it creates. It's still AI, and AI can make mistakes. Make sure you review everything carefully. You can regenerate the videos from here, and you can also click on the edit prompt section to see the prompt used and make changes. You can even adjust the video clip duration if needed. I'll keep repeating this process, regenerating and editing prompts until all the video clips meet my expectations. Okay, now I'm done with all my video clips. Next, I'll ask it to create the background music. I'll give my input and click send. It will use Suno to generate the music. And here it is. As you can see, it has created two different soundtracks. You can play both and choose the one you like. After that, I'll simply ask it to create the video timeline and generate the final edit. Once I do that, it gets started right away. And this is the timeline. As you can see, it has added all the scenes just like a video editor and also included the background music. You can even add your own clips or music if you want, which is really useful. If you select a particular clip, you can change settings like clip volume, speed, and duration. You can also adjust the clip length from here, just like in a traditional video editor. Next, to export the video, simply click on export. You can export it as a video file, PR file, or even export every element individually, which is very useful. I'll choose video, click export, and that's it. After that, I went back and forth a few more times, tweaking some scenes, images, and videos as needed. After exporting, I brought everything into CapCut to add a few final filters and transitions. And here's the final result.
So if we look at the second quarter figures here, you'll notice the incremental growth in comparison to Q1, primarily due to the adjustments in our pricing strategy.
What do you mean you don't want to continue college? Stop that MMA nonsense. Business is your future.
I don't want to be like you, Dad. I'm done.
High level wrestling, send him 2-3 years Dagestan and forget.
This is it, Tom. No more turning back now.
Why are you here, city boy?
To become the best. Please, train me.
You have the will to work hard?
Yes, whatever it takes.
We'll see.
Up! Come on! Drive from the floor! Chest high, don't sag your back. Again! Breathe! You think mountain care if you're tired? No!
Keep chest low. Hips under him. Do not give space. Good. Now pressure. Slow, heavy. Make him carry you.
Why you stay on floor, huh? Get up. Training is not finished. You want to fight men who never quit? Then you must work harder.
Yes, coach.
On your feet. We go again.
I'm up.
Good stance. Keep chin down, elbows tight.
Got it.
When you jab, don't reach. Snap it, bring it back fast. Power comes from legs, not shoulder.
Okay.
Breathe with every punch. Again, jab, cross. Better. Hook right hand.
Enough. You are ready. The hands are heavy, the mind is sharp. Tomorrow, we fight.
Growing up, I never had family dinners like this. It's really nice.
We're glad you're here now.
You're part of the family, so of course you should be. There's always a place for you at our table.
Thank you.
That was outstanding, right? And now you can do it too. Flova AI makes the entire process incredibly easy and you can try it out for free. If you sign up now, you'll get 1,000 free credits, and on top of that, they also give 500 free credits every week, which is super useful. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and try it out now.